Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Naïve based classifier for predicting the novel coronavirus, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So in this project, the authors have proposed the concept of predicting the novel coronavirus based on the different kinds of symptoms in other features and using the Naïve based classifier. But as our proposed model, we are not going to use this Naïve based classifier. So we are going to use the random forest classifier. So I'll show you the difference between the proposed and the existing. So as our using the proposed model, we can get accuracy score around 98% and the existing Naïve base as around 77%. So our proposed model performs well than the existing model. So now let us see the execution of the project. So just go to the command prompt, copy the source code location and get into the source code location and type python app.py. So now you can copy this URL, go to your browser part, paste it, and now you can see the home screen and welcome screen of the project with the project title Naïve based classifier for predicting the novel coronavirus. So here you can see the login screen, so which is a static login page because we have not used any database here. So this is a static login page with the default username and password as admin and click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigating to the upload part where you can upload the dataset to train up the system. So just go to the source code location and select the upload.tscsv file and click upload button. And once after clicking the upload button, the dataset will be uploaded and you can preview the dataset here. And now here in the dataset part, you can see the features that is available: ID, breathing problem, fever, dry cough, sore throat, running nose, asthma, chronic lung disease, headache, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, abroad travel, contact with COVID patient, attended large gathering, visited public exposed places, family working in public exposed places, wearing mask, sanitation from the mask, and the COVID result. So we'll be using a specific feature from this. Let me show you those things. And now you can scroll down till the end of the page and you can see the complete data set has been loaded into the browser part, and you can see the complete data set has been loaded here, and which consists of around 5434 dataset records. And now click the button, click to train or test. And after a few seconds you can see that training is finished message, and now the system is ready to predict, and just click OK, and now it will be navigated to the novel coronavirus prediction part. So now the system is ready to predict, and as I intimated earlier, so we are going to use these features only for prediction. Now the complete features that is described in the data set. And now let me show you with both the positive and negative cases, and you can also check with the other cases. So for the scenario, let me show you with the few cases only. And the first thing is like, let me show you with the breathing problem, yes, fever, yes, dry cough, yes, sore throat, yes, running nose, yes, asthma, no, chronic lung disease, no, heart disease, no, diabetes, yes, abroad travel, no, contact with COVID patient, yes, and attended large gathering, no, and wearing mask, no. So for this scenario, let us check the prediction result and click predict button, and now you can see the COVID is positive case. This is a positive case. And now let us go to I'll show you with the other case. So now let me enter the breathing problem as yes, fever, yes, Dry cough, yes. Sore throat, no. Running nose, no. Asthma, no. Chronic lung disease, no. Heart disease, yes. Diabetes, no. Abroad travel, no. Contact with COVID patient, no. Attended large gathering, no. And wearing mask, no. And let me check the prediction result for this. So click the predict button, and now you can see the COVID is no, which is a negative case. So I have shown you both the cases, positive and negative. You can also check with the other cases that from the data set that we have trained up with. And let me move to the next part, that is performance analysis. So in the performance analysis, you can see the performance and analysis for precision and recall value for the proposed, that is random forest classifier. So this is the precision and recall value for the proposed random forest classifier, and this is the precision and recall for the existing Navy base. You can see this one, and the confusion matrix for the random forest classifier, and this is the confusion matrix for the Navy base part. And the final is the chart part. This is a static chart which consists of the data that is taken from the data set. So there you can see negative cases around 31.8% and positive cases around 68.2%. And here again you can see the another bar chart which consists of breathing problem with positive as 35,000 cases and negative 1.3, and here again with no breathing problem as 10k and no negative for 3.5. And let me log out from this part, and this is all about the project Navy based classifier for predicting the novel coronavirus. And thank you for watching.